what's your name?
Timosha.
Can you say it again?
Timosha.
Really? Can you tell me what you're playing with? What is that?
Mama. Mama.
What's your name, Kaylee?
Timosha. I got fire. I got paper. I got color. I got paper. Mama.
Careful. Your foot's stuck on the box. There you go.
I got shoes.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, Kaylee?